Hi there, I hope you are doing great. Today I want to have a quick chat with one of our amazing clients to get his thoughts on working with Spectrum BPO. So we have been on this journey together and I'm super excited to hear about his experience, challenges and how we have made an impact. So let's jump straight into it. Can you please introduce yourself, your company, and the type of business you operate on Amazon?
Hi, my name is John Bernstein, and I'm the owner of Body Bag Company. We're a third-party seller on Amazon.
Okay, how long have you been selling on Amazon, and when did you start working with Spectrum?
We've been working with since about April of 2024. We've been selling on Amazon since at least 2010.
Okay, what challenges have you faced as long-time third-party seller, and what led you to choose Spectrum as your service provider?
Like a lot of third-party sellers with long-established brands, we faced an onslaught of Chinese competition, lower prices, etc., etc. And we were finding increasingly that we were getting less bang for the incremental ad dollar each year on Amazon. So typically what was happening is we were selling an ever higher percentage of advertised to non-advertised units each year, and the advertising costs keep going up. And the productivity was flat to declining. So while advertising has been a significant part of our business since 2016, the economics of advertising have become increasingly difficult with escalating CPCs, increased competition, especially low-priced Chinese competition, knockoffs, et cetera, et cetera. So one of the original reasons we went with Spectrum is that we like their full-service agency approach. We like the fact that they dedicated full-time personnel with real experience and training in selling on Amazon to the account.
Okay, my next question is, what was Spectrum's initial approach after you taking over your account, and what key improvements did they make to your listings and advertising strategy?
They've taken a very disciplined approach to the account from day one. It started with an account audit where they identified opportunities for us with our listings, our keywording, our images, our premium A+, basically all of the components of, having up-to-date listings on Amazon. They took that on. We took the position that we wanted to clean up the listings first, and then we would dial up the ad spend. We also were converting to a new two-piece product this year, which would lower our FBA fees, but involved a significant conversion from an old one-piece product to the new two-piece product. They helped manage that for us. So the way I would break down their contributions to the business are, they first helped us get our listings into top-flight condition, probably the best they've been in many years. They went through a disciplined keywording analysis to ensure that we were ranking for all the relevant keywords that we needed to rank for each of our 30 different ASINs. They upgraded our images. They created Premium A+ for listings that didn't have Premium A+. They fixed some of our videos that just needed to be improved. They did some A/B testing on title tests to help confirm that their keywording really wouldn't pay off with either better traffic or better conversions, both.
Okay, how has Spectrum's management impact your ad spend, especially ACOS, TACOS, and the balance between advertised and organic sales?
The most important thing they've accomplished is to help stabilize our ad spend and to dramatically improve the percentage of advertised to organic units on our most highly advertised brands. So we went from as high as 80% advertised, 20% organic to more like 55-45 which, as you can imagine, has a dramatic effect on our profitability.
Okay, can you please share how Spectrum's consistent and professional team has influenced your account and product performance, such as the Body Pack Buddy, right?
I've been impressed with the professionalism of the account. They haven't been switching out account managers. We interviewed a number of American agencies as well as some offshore agencies, and one of the things that impressed us about Spectrum was that they were willing to commit up front that they would have a dedicated account team and that they wouldn't keep swapping out the players, so we were constantly having to reinvent the wheel, train new people, et cetera, et cetera. So we've had a consistent group of the account team has for the most part been consistent from day one. The other thing I would say is on our Body Back Buddy, which has 33,000 reviews and a 4.6 rating, we were the number 3 seller in our segment a year ago. We're now number 1, and our BSR has gone from probably 4,000 down to the mid 2s, maybe 2,500.
Okay, apart from advertising, what other support has Spectrum provided to enhance your overall Amazon business operations?
So my recommendation to any Amazon third-party seller that's looking to improve their advertising performance, their listings, to be able to file and win brand registry cases, to be able to file cases with FBA for any number of issues, which we're constantly doing.
Okay, how would you describe Spectrum's working style, and would you recommend them to other sellers, and why?
They stay on top of things. We have weekly calls where they report on their progress for all the open issues that we've identified. So my sense is there's always someone at the other end of the phone. They're always there to pick up the phone, so I feel like we're supported at all times. And I feel like the professionalism and the dedication of their account team is very, very high. So they have my highest recommendation. And if you're interested in working with them, then feel free to get in touch with me, okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts, insight, experience with us with Spectrum BPO. Thank you.